Welcome to springlib.
The objective is to explain how plants' adaptations allowed them to transition from an aquatic environment to various habitats, starting with single-celled algae and including the transition from prokaryotes to eukaryotes, and to discuss the adaptive traits and their origins. The transition of plants from aquatic environments to various terrestrial habitats involved several key adaptations that allowed them to survive and thrive in diverse conditions. We can trace the evolutionary history of plants from single-celled algae to multicellular land plants, highlighting the significant adaptations that occurred along the way. 1. Transition from prokaryotes to eukaryotes. The first major step in plant evolution was the transition from prokaryotic cells, e.g., bacteria, to eukaryotic cells, e.g., algae. This transition allowed for the development of membrane-bound organelles, such as the nucleus and chloroplasts, which enabled more efficient energy production through photosynthesis. This increased energy production was crucial for the development of more complex multicellular organisms. 2. Development of multicellularity. The evolution of multicellular organisms from single-celled algae allowed for the specialization of cells and the development of more complex structures. This enabled plants to grow larger and more robust, which was essential for their transition to land. 3. Evolution of a protective outer layer. As plants moved from aquatic environments to land, they needed a way to prevent water loss and protect themselves from desiccation. The development of a waxy cuticle on the outer surface of plant cells provided this protection, allowing plants to retain water and survive in dry conditions. 4. Development of vascular tissue. The evolution of vascular tissue, such as xylem and phloem, allowed plants to transport water and nutrients more efficiently throughout their bodies. This was crucial for the growth and survival of larger plants in terrestrial environments, as it enabled them to access resources from both the soil and the atmosphere. 5. Evolution of roots and shoots. The development of roots and shoots allowed plants to anchor themselves in the soil and access water and nutrients more effectively. Roots also provided structural support, enabling plants to grow taller and compete for sunlight in their new terrestrial habitats. 6. Evolution of spores and seeds. The transition from aquatic to terrestrial environment required plants to develop new methods of reproduction. The evolution of spores and seeds allowed plants to disperse their offspring more effectively and survive in a wider range of environments. Spores, which are produced by non-vascular plants like mosses and ferns, are small and lightweight, allowing them to be easily dispersed by wind or water. Seeds, which are produced by vascular plants like gymnosperms and angiosperms, provide a protective covering and a food supply for the developing embryo, increasing the chances of successful germination and growth. 7. Evolution of flowers and fruits. The development of flowers and fruits in angiosperms flowering plants provided another significant advantage in terrestrial environments. Flowers attract pollinators, which increases the chances of successful fertilization and reproduction. Fruits, which develop from the fertilized ovary, protect and disperse seeds, allowing plants to colonize new habitats and further diversify. In conclusion, the transition of plants from aquatic environments to terrestrial habitats involved a series of key adaptations, including the development of eukaryotic cells, multicellularity, protective outer layers, vascular tissue, roots and shoots, spores and seeds, and flowers and fruits. These adaptations allow plants to survive and thrive in a wide range of environments, ultimately leading to the incredible diversity of plant life we see today.